Chapter Summaries. Consciousness is the only reality. I am is God, your infinite self. You can change your world by changing your concept of yourself. Your consciousness creates your reality. Change your consciousness to change your outer world. Assume the feeling of your wish, fulfilled, to manifest it. Persist in the assumption. Intense, burning desire, combined with assuming the feeling of the fulfilled desire, sets a manifestation in motion. Use your imagination to visualize and feel yourself as already having what you desire. This allows you to rise to the state of consciousness in which what you desire manifests. Control and concentrate your attention within on the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This gives your assumption power. Outer conditions conform to your inner assumptions about yourself and life. Change your attitude assumptions to change your world. Let go of negative states like fear, doubt, and ill will. Assume the best about yourself and others. Prepare your consciousness by assuming you already have what you desire. This is the only way to rise to a new state and attain your goal. Creation exists in infinite states. You determine which state you experience through your concept of self and assumptions. Persist in your assumption, ignore outer conditions, and focus within. Control your imagination and attention. Do not let outer senses dominate. Feel yourself into the desired state until it is natural. This leads to manifestation. Assume the wish fulfilled with minimum mental effort. Expectation brings the feeling of naturalness. Assumption of the wish fulfilled is the ultimate creative power. You cannot force anything. You must surrender to the law of assumption and embody the desired state. All things are possible. You are only limited by uncontrolled imagination. Control it, and all is possible. Do not merely wish. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. The essentials for manifestation are desire, physical immobility, and assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Righteousness means assuming you already have what you desire. This state of consciousness brings manifestation. You are only free to choose the state you occupy. Persist in its assumption, and external events will unfold to fulfill it. You must persist in the assumption that your desire is fulfilled until it becomes your dominant feeling. Then it will manifest. Failure to manifest means you did not feel natural in the desired state. Use imagination to feel natural in it. Have faith in the reality of the invisible state assumed. This is what brings it into the visible. You shape your destiny every moment by your state of consciousness and assumptions. Rise to higher states. Feel reverence for the power within you to create your world through imagination and assumption.
Now listen to this again, or listen to the other summaries. Check the links around this video for other summaries of this book and other important books as well. Happy manifesting!